In this video, we'll cover how to use the Navan mobile app for travel management, showing you how this powerful tool can streamline your travel experience from booking to budgeting. Whether you're managing a business trip or planning your next vacation, Navan can simplify the process and help you stay organized. With the Navan mobile app, you can easily access all your travel details in one place. From booking flights and hotels to managing itineraries, Navan's intuitive interface makes travel management seamless. The app automatically syncs your flight, hotel, and other bookings, so you won't have to juggle multiple apps or websites. All you need to do is sign in, and Navan will handle the rest. One of the standout features is the real-time updates it offers. You'll receive notifications about gate changes, flight delays, and other important updates right on your phone. This is especially helpful for business travelers who need to stay on top of their schedules. If your flight changes or delays, Navan will let you know, and it can even suggest alternative routes to help you stay on track. The Navan mobile app also makes expense management easy. You can upload receipts, track spending, and categorize your travel expenses directly within the app. No more worrying about keeping track of paper receipts or missing reimbursements. Plus, the app integrates with your company's expense software, so everything stays in sync. For booking, the app offers a simple search tool that allows you to compare flight options, hotel prices, and rental cars all in one place. Once you've made your selections, the booking process is quick and easy. If you're traveling with a group or a team, Navan has collaboration features to help you manage shared itineraries and coordinate travel plans. And if you're traveling for work, Navan can help ensure your trips are aligned with your company's travel policies. You can set up travel preferences, establish spending limits, and automate approval workflows, ensuring your trips stay within the company's budget and guidelines. One key benefit of using Navan is its integration with other tools. You can sync your calendar to the app to see your travel schedule alongside your meetings. It also integrates with your email, automatically pulling in flight confirmations and hotel bookings, so everything is already in one place without you needing to manually enter the details. Plus, the app's clean, user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate, even for first-time users. You don't need to be tech-savvy to get the most out of Navan. It's designed to be intuitive, so you can focus on what matters, your travel. Now, here's the good news. You can use the Navan mobile app completely free from the first link below, and we have exclusive bonuses to get you started with an extended trial. I'll get into more details about that at the end of this video. Whether you're organizing business trips, personal travel, or managing travel for an entire team, Navan offers all the tools you need to stay organized and stress-free. Its ease of use, real-time updates, and integrated features make it one of the best apps available for travel management. So make sure to check out the exclusive offer we've provided through the link below. And remember, by signing up through that link, you'll get access to the extended trial, giving you more time to explore everything Navan has to offer. If you found this information useful, feel free to give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from better travel management.